What a beautiful day to go to the skate park! Kids, you have to put on your seatbelts, and you have to put them on right. You can't ride in the car without seatbelts. Putting them on is really fun. Look. First, I sit down. Now, the right arm, then the left one. I'm feeling safe when I hear click, 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 click. I'm feeling happy when I hear click, click, click. Watch out! It's a good thing you had your seatbelts on. Poor Uni broke his horn. I've got an idea to stop this from happening again. First, I sit down. Now, the right arm, then the left one. I'm feeling safe when I hear click, 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 click. I'm feeling happy when I hear click, click, click. Click, click, click. Good job, kids. Now you're all traveling super safe. What a beautiful day for skating! We're gonna have so much fun! Hey, hey, hey! Freeze! Aren't you forgetting something? To be safe and avoid accidents, you must put on your helmet and your knee and elbow pads. Told you so! Why don't you listen to the safety song? You're gonna love it! Put on your pads. Pads, pads. Don't forget the helmet. Don't forget it. I'm feeling safe when I hear click, 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 click. I'm feeling happy when I hear click, click, click. Groovy, groovy, groovy. Kids, that's not what helmets are for. Yes! You can have fun in a safe way, don't you think? Oh, Pops, are you all right? This is definitely not your sport.
What a beautiful day for learning at school. There you go. Groovy, it looks great on you. It will make you look even cuter in the group photo you're taking today. Groovy, what are you doing? Come on, get up. You're going to be late. Ready for the photo? Come on, it's time. How elegant. It's going to be a beautiful picture. You too, Phoebe. There's something weird going on here. Groovy, let me look. Oh no! Lice! Guys, it's okay. Having lice is normal, but we must stop them quickly. Pop will explain to us how to do it. Lice and their eggs are parasites. That is, they live in your head, rent-free, paying nothing. They like clean hair. Even if you wash every day, you can still have them. They spread very fast. You have to stop them immediately. How? With an anti-lice shampoo. And if the problem persists, with a special comb. Here we go. Wow, there's lots of them. And they want to keep spreading through the heads of all of the kids. Come on, we must hurry. The lice are already jumping. Oh no, this is getting out of hand. We've got to do something now. Nice try, Groovy, but they're jumping too much. Good thinking, Groovy, but they're so fast. They're already on every head. And now they also want to conquer the professor's head. Yes, it's lice. Guys, we have to do something before the whole school is overrun with lice. Shall we try the good stuff first? Maybe we can try to convince them to leave. We must try it. Good morning, Mr. Louse. We come in peace. Please leave our heads. We can give you lots of gifts like these in return. Oh, yeah? Well, if diplomacy doesn't work, we'll take action. They wanted it. This is a job for Super Groovy and Super Phoebe. What's on your mind, Groovy? Kids, what do you think Groovy has to become to get rid of lice? An electric guitar? Knit shampoo? Or a teaspoon? Yes, it's shampoo. Come on, attack! Run, little lice. We want you out of our heads. Now let's shampoo the children as well. Good job, Groovy. It seems it's working. Guys, they're leaving. Congratulations. Let's see if we can now take the group photo. Smile. Let's say lice. Oh no, these lice are heavy. What a beautiful day to play with the family in the garden. Well, looks like Mom and Dad don't feel like playing ball very much. Well, maybe we can go out and play a little later. Oh no, it's gone dark and they're still on the couch. Pops, why don't you explain to them that they shouldn't spend so much time looking at screens? We must use... Hello? They don't even listen to us, do they? Why don't you try with Groovy first? How? With a little something he can't resist. Groovy, can you help Pops? I think, guys, it's time to take action. They look more hooked than I thought. What are you guys up to? What are you going to transform? Kids, what should Groovy transform into so Phoebe and her parents have to give up their phones? A chair? A puzzle piece? Or a loud alarm? That's it, an alarm. Let's do it. We must use technology responsibly. It's very useful for the development of many skills and access to information, but it's very easy to become absorbed and end up wasting a lot of time. Today, we lost a great afternoon of playing in the sunshine together in the garden. Not only children should learn this, it is very important that parents set an example. Did you get that, kids? And parents? What a great idea, Pops. It's late to go out in the garden, but we can play a board game. This is really playtime and family. Wow, Groovy, your hippo doesn't swallow. It must be stuffed. Hey, that's cheating. Little friends, as you can see, nothing can replace family fun. Turn off your cell phones. Turn on your imagination. What a beautiful day for sports. Pops, you look great to play basketball. I just hope nobody confuses you with the ball. Groovy, I think they want you to play with them. He says you have to go there and play with the girls, that basketball is for boys. Pops, that's not very nice. Although that boy deserved it a little. Should we explain to everyone why what that child did is wrong? Although some sports have traditionally been considered to be for boys and others for girls, the truth is, we can all play whatever sport we want, regardless of our gender. The only rule is to have fun. That's a good idea, Phoebe. Ask the girls if they'd like to play basketball too. Pay attention, boys. Girls also want to play basketball. Let's all play a game together. All right, let's see. We need a referee. Perfect. Pops will be our referee. Great. Oh, we're missing something to whistle the fouls. Groovy, could you help us? Children, what should Groovy transform into to help Pops to referee the match? A mixer? A whistle? Or a crown? Yes, a whistle. All right. What a thrill! The match is about to begin. The team to make the first 3 baskets wins. Understood? Ball for Phoebe, who passes it to Katie. Katie to Sarah. She makes a basket. All right, girls. Eric takes it out, passes the ball to James. James to Victor. And a basket for the kids. The game is on fire. There's a tie. The girls take out. Phoebe has the ball and throws it. What a basket! Spectacular! The boys take out. Ball for Eric. Phoebe takes it off. Foul! Eric commits a foul. Phoebe now has a chance to win the game. Come on, Phoebe, you can do it. Phoebe gets ready to shoot. Moments of maximum concentration. Shoot and... mark! The girls win the game. Bravo! See how much fun it is to play boys and girls together? With any sport. Oh, you've scored so much, Groovy. What a beautiful day to go to the beach. With this heat, let's go swimming. Wait, Groovy. The sand's too hot. It got too much sun. Groovy, not so fast. The sea's gonna be cold. Don't bother others. To the cold water, to the float. To the water. To the float. To the water. Aye, aye, aye. Groovy, you broke the lady's float. Look how sad she is. She wants to go into the sea, but she can't swim. What can we do, Groovy? Children, what should Groovy transform into to help the lady swim without fear? A pear? A pencil? Or a dolphin? Yes, a dolphin. What's wrong, Groovy? You're afraid the water's too cold? If you go in slowly and get parts of your body wet, you'll adjust to the change in temperature. Trust us, Groovy. Careful, Groovy. We don't want her to fall. What a beautiful day for having lunch at school. Phoebe, you should try it. I'm sure you'll be surprised. See? Groovy says it's delicious. Who threw food at that boy? Phoebe, was it you? Children, children, peace! Children, stop. Don't play with food. Children, children, please. Quick, Groovy. Do something. Wasting food like that isn't right. I'm sure you're starving now. Good thing you still have dessert left. Fruit sorbet. And who is this little devil? But well, this one has started all the mess. He deserves not to have dessert, don't you think, children? That's how he'll learn that you don't play with food.